How to change the floor tool on your Shark upright vacuum cleaner. If you've just received your brand new power nozzle from Shark and you're not sure how to fit it, this video is for you. It's really quick and it's really easy. Firstly, we need to unwrap the cable from your vacuum cleaner and then press the lift away button to pull off the main body from the vacuum cleaner. This is normally on the corner here, or on some models it's a big button in the middle. If you can't find yours, please put your model number below and I will help you. Then we need to remove the wand by pressing the wand release button, and this will leave you with just the floor tool on its own. So now you need to put your new floor tool onto your existing vacuum. So do it all in reverse order. Put your wand in first, it just clicks into position, and then put the main body onto the wand. And that's it, you're done. But you may notice, a bit sneaky this, Shark don't actually give you the front roller with your new power nozzle. So we need to take this off your old floor tool. Just press the button at the side and this will pop off. Now put it into the new floor tool, cog end first, and then it just pushes into position. The hook goes in first and it just clicks in. And that is it. Everything is swapped over, so you have your brand new floor tool on your Shark. If you have any issues finding anything on your model, if you can't find how to release the front roller, for example, please just ask me. I have got a video for everything. Thank you for watching, and YouTube has chosen this next video for you. Also, a quick mention, my wonderful wife has just released her first ever murder mystery novel, and we would be delighted if you would go to her website, jadegrafton.com, to receive your free sample.